Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Conceptual Coding. I hope that you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to create a program using C++ programming language, and in today's program we just going to take a number from the user and we are going to tell that whether the user have entered a positive number or whether the user have entered a negative number. So let's get started with the things. And before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel Conceptual Coding, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Conceptual Coding. So let's get started with the things. So first you need to open your compiler, that is def C++. So I'm going to open the compiler. Then you need to create a new source file. So for the creation of source file you can go with here, or alternately you can go with Ctrl+N. So you can create a new source file. Now you just need to enter some header files that are necessary for any kind of program. So I'm going to enter the header files. So hash include input output stream. This one is used for input and output purpose, and the next header file is hash include conio.h. conio.h, and this one is used for the purpose of creating an executable file. Then we are going to use the using namespace std. So this one is used for the purpose of getting the namespace and characters that can be easily added in the program. So yeah, so now we are going to add a main function, int main, and beside the main we are going to add some parentheses. So the parentheses here are indicating that int main is a kind of function. Now we are going to terminate our program with the help of the function getCh, that is a pair of conio.h. Now as you can see that we have created a source file that contains some header files. Now let's proceed toward our scenario. So our scenario is that we just need to take a number from the user, and we just need to define that whether the entered number is negative, whether it is positive, or whether it's not a positive or nor is not negative. So all those numbers that are greater than the 0, those numbers are referred as a positive number, and all the numbers that are less than 0, those numbers are referred as the negative number. So what are the numbers that are not positive nor negative? So that number is 0. 0 is not positive, and 0 is not negative. So first thing, we just need to create a new variable for the purpose of taking the input from the user. So I'm going with the data type float, because a user can enter a decimal number, or either he or she can enter a non-decimal number. So I'm going to go with the float, so the things can get easy with the float. Now I'm going to create a new variable that is number. Now I'm going to console output the statement cout, and I'm going to write that please enter a number. Enter a number. So user will enter a number, and then on the very next line I'm going to take the number as an input in the variable number. Okay, now I'm going to put if condition if the number entered by the user is greater than 0. Okay, so this is the case that if the number is greater than 0, then we shall declare the thing that the number will be positive. So I'm going to output a statement cout. This is a positive number. This is a positive number. Okay, so now I'm going to use the else if, and in the else if statement I'm just going to write else if the number is less than 0. If it is not greater than 0, if it is less than 0, then I'm going to say that yes, this one is negative number. As we know that all those numbers up to infinity that are less than 0, those numbers are defined and derived as the negative number. So I'm going to write that this is a negative number. So this is a negative number. And last but not the least, I'm going to write else case. If both of the cases that are defined above are false, then it must be 0, and 0 is not positive and not negative. This is not positive nor negative number. Okay, now I am going to press the F11 and I'm going to execute the things. So you can see, enter a number. 7 is a positive number, yes. Now compile and run. This time I'm going to write 0. So 0 is not a positive nor negative. And last case, we are going to write compile minus value. So I'm going to write -6. So -6 is a negative number. So that's all from today's video. I hope that you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel Conceptual Coding, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Conceptual Coding. Thank you.